second day, Wednesday. Cyber defense practice next week, and the students are thinking about either after Tuesday, Thursday classes or after either a Monday, Wednesday. Tuesday, Thursday would be at 11. Monday, Wednesday would probably be something like 12:30. Okay. Voting project. Talk to students about a voting project and where they would help put together some voting information. They can contact me if they're interested. Linux. We did a brief overview of the install. Then the students went ahead and did the install. Document that. Note that there is in the curriculum, they should be working on the curriculum, and in that curriculum then are the chapter tests, chapter exams I think they call them. Those are all ready to go, and there is no chapter 1 exam. So chapter 2 exam, and I believe that's due next week, Thursday. Monday's no classes, Martin Luther King Day. So when they did the install, they need to make a unique password, but not one that usual one that they use. Make sure they document it, the entire process, so somebody will read the documentation and repeat it or understand it. Then, the last half hour, Josh Mack came in. He gave us an overview of Office 365 and had a brief question and answer. So, looking ahead, you want to make sure you have your Linux install ready to go on Wednesday. There's a lot of things we're going to be doing with that. And then you're working in the curriculum, and that's in the Cisco NetAcad, Cisco Network Academy. And there are some labs. We have the first one on Access Work Server 2, and then your lab for your install, and then we'll be working on lab 3, working in the GUI on Linux, and we'll be doing a lot of that on Wednesday, plus a few other things. That's it.